Hello, 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to Shubham Singh and Co YouTube channel. So, what is the topic for today? So, the topic for today is how we can remove the background of any image online as well as offline. So, let's first get started with online way and then we will go for the offline way as well. So in order to remove the background you have to go on any of your browser, most probably Chrome, and open a new tab. Just enter remove.bg. You can say remove.bg and press enter, and you can see upload image or drop a file. So you can even upload an image or you can drop a file. So you have to click upload image. You have to select the image which you want to from which you want to remove the background. So I will just select one image. I will choose this image. The benefit of this website is that it will give you a very precise image and a very clear image that you can see the background is removed and you can't see the pixel like you can, if you do it by manually on Photoshop or any other platform, you may experience the pixel is blurred or some part is missing, some part is coming, and some part of background is not what we can say, erased, and it will just it's a kind of useless thing. So use this website. You can download it for the free for like 537 to 464, but for if you want to download it in HD you may have to pay some subscription or something like that. So you can use with the low quality. You can see now this guy don't have a background. So this is how you do online, and without wasting time let's go for the offline thing. So let's just close this thing, and you have to just anywhere you have to just open the thing. Maybe you can do it right here as well. Just a second, can I see the new? No. So let's go and do I will just create a new. You have to create a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, just name it something, Remove BG, and just go inside it. Okay, just delete each and everything excluding the slide. Insert the image which you wanted to you want to remove the background from. So I will just choose the same image which we choose for the online thing, and where it is, yeah, here it is. You can see, so this is the image from which I have to remove the background. So you can see here you will get an option of remove background. You have to click on it and wait for some time. You can see the what we can say, the PowerPoint automatically detected what actually is the background and what actually is not a background. If you see, this part was also detecting as a background, so you have to make sure that you select the right thing. And if you can see here the background is not detecting it as a background. So what you have to do is you have to go and mark area as to remove, and just use this pencil thing and just draw the line over anything which you want to remove. Now you can see it is a clear image, and if somehow that you can see, if I'm just drawing this the mark area to remove this, in order to remove this thing. Okay, so you can see there is a line over here. Sometimes PowerPoint may not detect the actually differentiate between the background and the front image. So you have to make sure that you use mark area as to keep or mark area as to remove pencils in order to select what you want. Okay, so I will just do Control Z, and once you are done, just keep changes, and yeah, that's it. And how you will save it? Save as PNG or JPEG. You can go with anyone. So where is the PNG? Search for PNG. Okay, portable network graphics format. So desktop, save it, current slide only, done. Don't save. Already saved now. You can see it. Yeah, that's it done. So this is how you will remove a background from any image using online as well as offline method. So I hope that I keep this video very short and to the point. So if you liked our video, do make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment, and take care. Bye bye.